Hey guys, I was at McDonald's the other day and I saw two people fighting over who would get the last chicken nugget, and I'm so awesome that I went and took out the last chicken nugget for myself, and they never knew it was me, and that reminded me I haven't played on servers for a long time, so I decided I'd play some Sky Wars. Is that too much to say? Alright, so we are at this map, and it's probably called Bumblebee because there's bees all over the place.
That's not how you make YouTube videos, bro.
Oh no! I accidentally almost fell down into the map. That was... Okay, I'm just gonna keep on trying after I... Oh, yes, I made it! I made it! No! I could have just actually did it. No. No. I keep on getting the achievement nice jump, but I keep on then just teleporting in here. At least there's no achievement. The VIPs do not see. Let's go. Alright, go. Alright, now, let's get this. Okay, apples. What's with the lag in these servers? I hate it when you're like in another world and then it's so laggy because it doesn't belong to you, and they're like lagging you out. And they're like, now your feet. Oh, I just got some decent armor from this bumblebee. Thank you. Why do I keep on... Okay, I'm... failed the parkour. Alright. Alright. Why is this even called a war when there's no teams or anything? Panda 1891 was killed by Void. Wow. Pandas are so heavy, it makes sense to me that they just fall through the land and land in the void. Anyway. Come on. Why did it just teleport me back over here? I'm just going to quickly put on the best armor I got. Hopefully I can actually get my stuff in this. Hey. Yeah. Oh, yes, this is actually really good. I got the best stuff. Oh, cool. Nice. Yeah, I got him. Let's just get a bunch of these. Huh? He has... Panda 1891 quits. Yeah. He died, so he quit. No! What the? I hate these lag. I actually like it because... No. Alright, back at the lobby. Why am I flying? Alright, you know what? Toolbox is coming in. Alright. Hopefully it lets me go until flowers more important than grass. Really? Actually, not. Alright. Still on this. Come on. Yes! Uh-huh. Odd. Yeah, look at this. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, this guy looks like a winter version of me. Alright. Bop. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. 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 Do 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 do. I'm just going to quickly. What? What happened? Okay. Come on. Alright. We're joining back into the server. Alright. Alright. Here we are. Oh my gosh. So much people here. Oh, TNT? Alright, here we are. What's with the map? I'll meet with you when we're actually there. Something weird happens when you use toolbox for servers.